Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune. Today again I'm at Autologue after real long. My bike is getting ready over here. It's going to get painted in some color. Also my RTR is getting ready with the tank kit. And in the meanwhile, as you must have seen, we are here for this red Dominar. And it's going to get Domivel kit. So in a while I'll show you what all needs to be done for the installation, how it is installed and so on and so forth. So this is a 2018 Dominar. So far I see it's stock, except for it's got a good amount of accessories like some top rack it has got from Hyper Rider. I can see the brand over here. Then it has got a bike cover. It has got stock crash guards. It has got some indicators with some handguard with indicators. I guess these are unbranded, but they look good. This looks like the Autologue stock visor. Otherwise the whole bike looks pretty stock, no fog lamps, nothing. Really well maintained. You can see the amount of shine on it. This owner has maintained it really nice. And I know it is 2018 Dominar because it has got golden wheels and a raised front suspension. Raised in the sense 2018 had slightly longer outer suspension outer. So now we're going to start with the installation. The kit is, the tank panels are already painted and kept ready. What we have to do is, by the way, it has got a main stand, so we don't need a paddock. So what we have to do is remove these two bolts from here, one from here and one from here. Similarly, one from here and one from here. So remove these 4 bolts and then you can bolt on the Domivel kit. So these are the 2 panels, they are painted ready. Okay, you just have to fit it. One mounting point is here, another mounting point is here. Similarly, one mounting point is here and another one is here. So once Irfan starts installing, I'll show you. You will also remove the washer after you remove the bolt. And then there's a 2-way tape on the side of the Domivel panel kit. You remove the 2-way tape, that cover, and then this is how you install. Remove the washer from here also. Slide your Domivel panel inside the shroud. Okay, match the hole, then put the washer. Autologue will give this long bolts and this long bolt will go in from here inside. So one bolt has gone inside. Then we'll start with the other side. So the washer and the new bolt will go in from this side. And the bolt is tightened, and if you do this perfectly enough, there is enough space over here. How do I show you how there is space, how much space there is? This is very thin, but just I'm gliding it inside so that you see there is enough space. Okay. Now if you do the fitting so perfectly, there won't be any issue, and the headlight and the panel will not touch each other. The headlight and the shroud will not touch each other. So the bike is now done completely. This is the right side panel and the overall look of the bike. Let me know guys, how do you find this bike now? This is purely aesthetic purpose. There's no functional thing behind this kit. It is just to enhance the looks of your bike. All may not like it, that's alright, but those who like it can opt for it. I leave the purchase link in video description, Autologue contact in video description, so you can get in touch with Autologue directly if you want to make the purchase. Ending the video here. Thanks for watching. See you in a new video very soon. Like, share, subscribe.